Now see here, I've already installed the ChatGPT on my phone, so now I'm gonna open it. Now here in this video, I'm gonna show you what can you do with this ChatGPT, and besides this, I'm gonna share my 5 own personal tips that'll help you in doing your works perfectly. So yeah, let's get started. Tips number 1, or the first thing that you can do with this ChatGPT is, you can write story. So to write any story, you have to give your instruction, which is called prompt. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you prompt here to write a story. To write a story, now you have to give your subject. On what subject you wanna have your story. So I'm writing here, write a story on 2 schoolboys returning their home and then something dangerous happened. And at last, I've mentioned my word limits. It's very important while you give your prompts in ChatGPT. And now if I click on this up arrow button, my story will be generated. And tips number 2, you can write your own music lyrics. Now to generate my music lyrics, I have to give my another prompts here. Write the music lyrics on babies playing in the garden in 100 words. So I'm gonna click on this up arrow button. So this is the music lyrics that ChatGPT has generated for me. And in tips number 3, you can translate your language. For example, I'm gonna translate the sentence from English to Russian. First of all, you have to write your own sentence. So you have to keep this sentence under code, like this. And now right here, translate this sentence into Russian language. Now if I click on this up arrow button, see the whole sentence is translated into Russian. And now let's go to the tips number 4. You can generate data table. For example, generate a data table in 5 rows and 3 columns. Press on this up arrow button. Now these are the 5 rows and these are 3 columns. Name, age and country. But the problem is, you can't copy this table from here. So if you want to add this table to anywhere else, first you have to take the screenshot of this page, okay? And after taking screenshot, just crop this main portion. So this is how you can generate table-based contents too, through ChatGPT. Now tips number 5. See, if you don't want to give your prompt in written format, you can give your prompt in voice format too. Look at the bottom right corner, here is an audio wave icon. Just click there and then tell your prompt in voice. You will have your message in both the voice and text format. Okay, and if you want, you can generate pictures too. For example, I'm gonna create a picture from here. Now my prompt is, create a picture of a beautiful girl smiling. Now click here. So this is the picture that ChatGPT has generated for me. So these are the things that you can do with ChatGPT. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you wanna watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe this channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.